This video is about how to create a PDF of a 3D model to print and how to make a section view of the same. I'm going to do a simple exercise. Go to the front view and can start with central axis line, that is full height of model. Then draw the geometry as per the drawing shown. After completing the geometry, delete the line between center axis and the outer portion. Then only we will get hollow portion in center. Join all line segments into single one by using join comment. Go to isometric view. Now we need to revolve the profile with reference of center axis. And angle is 360 degrees. Now we got the 3D model. I'm just changing the color in Properties menu. Then go to Section panel and select Section Plane option. You can place the section plane in horizontal as well as vertical. Here I'm placing it as vertical section. Next go for drop down menu and select generate section. Now have to select a plane and choose an option for 2D section or 3D section. Here I'm generating vertical one. Place it wherever you want. Can rotate scale. Here I'm simply pasting like this. Here I'm marking the dimensions. After I make copy of the model and slice it as half using SL command. Place it as you want. Now we are going to create PDF. Press the key Ctrl and P at the same time. The new plot model window will get open. Make the changes as showing. When selecting the window option, the work interface area is accessible to select the portion of the sheet. Click Preview. you, and save the PDF document wherever you want. Thanks to all viewers. If you are visiting my channel for first time, don't forget to subscribe. You can drop your doubts and feedbacks in comment section. See you in next video.